Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com. Hey, this ain't about me, this is about the KEURG Coffee Maker. So today, I'm going to demonstrate my coffee maker. I got this for Christmas. It's a great Christmas present. Maybe some of you got one for Christmas. Well, the first thing you want to do after unpacking it and everything and plugging it in is you want to put water in it, but you want to make sure you don't overfill it. It's got a fill line right here. You just take the back off like that. You take your measuring cup or whatever you want to do and you pour water in there. Just like that. And get it to the desired level as long as it's not above that line right there. So next thing you want to do is you have to turn it on to heat the water. So hit the power button right here. It will turn green. It will turn green. Can you see that? Let me move you a little closer so you can see it. Make sure you can see it. I can see it, but I don't know if you can see it. See it right there, the green light. So now you know that it's on and you can hear the water boiling. It's starting to cook water. So you're going to wait for that to process to finish. It don't take it but a few seconds, so don't get too excited. Don't pay no attention to my mess here. And in mine, I also got this box of different, this is French vanilla, which I'm going to try French vanilla today. I'm going to try French vanilla. See, it comes with these. They don't come with them, they buy them separate. They used to give you some for samples or whatever when you first bought it, but there wasn't none in my box. You also got the Colombian, and let's see, one I like is the breakfast blend. I've been drinking those pretty good. I haven't tried the French vanilla one, so I'm going to try the French vanilla one. So now the water's boiled. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to drop this in just like that. And I'm going to make sure the water's hot. So now that's down like that. Now these lights will start blinking blue. Can you see that? Can you see the blue light? The lights blinking blue. And you click on the one that's appropriate for your cup size. This is a large cup, so I'm going to click the first one. And now it'll start cooking it and putting it in the cup. So let's just wait for that process to finish. It's going to be good. All those noises are normal. It's filling up my cup. Filling it up. A true friend is one that knows all about you. And now that's done. Now, me personally, I have an extra cup sitting here. When it's done, I just sit that cup under it. That's why I don't have to take this out and clean it all the time. It's all done. I got me a cup of coffee, and I'm gonna drink it. Wow, that don't need anything. That's perfect. That's a perfect cup of coffee. French vanilla coffee has everything in it that you possibly could want, and it is fantastic. So hey, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And man, this makes a good cup of coffee. This is Harold signing off, baby, and I'm going to drink my coffee.